Today I'm going to show you how to refund a game from GOG, step by step, in the fastest and simplest way possible. If you ever bought a game on GOG and want to request your money back, this guide will walk you through exactly where to go and what to click. This is a really useful process to know, especially if you purchased the wrong game, changed your mind, or just need to check whether a refund option is available for your order. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and website guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to GOG.com, then log into the account that made the purchase. Once you're signed in, move your mouse to your username at the top of the page. A small menu will appear, and from there you want to click Orders History. This is where GOG keeps a record of everything you've purchased on your account, so it's the first place you need to check when you want to request a refund. Now that you're on the Order History page, look through your purchase list and locate the game you want to return. If you've paid for any games, you should see the relevant purchase listed there. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct title, because this is where you'll begin the refund request for that specific game. Once you've found the game, look right beneath the game details. If the order is eligible, you should see an option that says Ask for a Refund. That button is the one you need to click to start the refund process. After you select it, GOG will guide you through the remaining steps for submitting your request. It's important to remember that refund availability can depend on the purchase and the refund policy, so if you don't see the option, that usually means the order may not qualify. In that case, double-check that you're logged into the correct account and that you're viewing the right purchase. Sometimes people accidentally sign into a different account and think the refund button is missing, when really they're just looking in the wrong order history. So to quickly recap, log into GOG, open your orders history from your username menu, find the game in your purchase history, and then click Ask for a Refund under the game details if the option is available. That's the core process, and it only takes a minute once you know where to look. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more clear step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.